My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, is me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so it is 12:51 a.m. It is Friday, February the 21st. Almost this month went by so fast. It just seems like it's so fast. So, I don't want to say this is my last pickup of the month, but I feel like it is, because I know tomorrow on Saturday the Air Jordan 3s drop. I forgot the name of those. Oh, Lucky Shorts. Go check out that review. It'll be up there, right there. If you want to go check it out, I already did a review for that. I don't know if I won't cop that or not. I thought I was, but since I got these, I'm probably not gonna cop these, because I was not fortunate enough to get these for retail. I did have to pay resale. But the second batch of who I deal with, so he had his own personal restock. Don't ask me how, I do not know. That's not my job to question how these resellers be getting their shoes. All I know is it is a real legit pair. So his first pair, he was selling them, I think, for like $850, because they was just going for a lot. The second pair, I got them a lot lower than that. I'll tell you that at the end of the video. But enough talking. This is our early review. These drop in tomorrow. Like I said, when y'all see this, it's probably gonna be Friday morning or Friday afternoon. This is late Friday morning. Like I said, it is 12:52. It's about to be 1 a.m. So I just wanted to pump this review out real quick, just so y'all can see me with this early review. Anyway, all right. So right off back, y'all see what it is just from the box alone. You see that Galaxy print Nike right there. The first iteration of these, they did not come with this special edition box. They didn't come with that. So I do like the touch they added with that. This is dope. Like that. Got Nike right there too. With the Galaxy print. I like that. I like when they do special boxes. That one. Boom. Alright, let's read this label. It reads Air Foamposite 1 QS. QS stands for Quick Strike. Obsidian. I cannot pronounce that second word. In black. This is a size 9. I highly recommend going up on Foamposites, because they are so not true to size. They're so tight. They run small. Actually, you might can go 9.5. I mean, well, you can go up a full size and whatever you are. I am an 8.5. I think that if I went 9.5, I would be good. But I also don't like my shoes looking big. This is already like a clunky shoe. So a 9 would be good. And I don't be wearing my shoes like that anyway. I probably wear a shoe, put it away, it'd be gone for like the next couple of years. So not really sure about it. So yeah, size 9. So you know what this means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Alright. So let's get straight to it. My guy, shout out to my guy, bro. He always gives me some extra stuff. Every time I get a shoe from him, little stickers. I like it, and I am a big Pokemon fan, so shout out to him for this right here, this little trading card, a trick or treat Halloween trading card. Shout out to him for that. Speaking of Pokemon, today, Friday the 21st, I am going to the Uno Tour. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but Pokemon Go event that's in Rose Bowl, because I am in California, so they do it like once a year. It's a Go Fest. A Pokemon Go Tour or whatever like that. This year, once again, it will be in Los Angeles at the Rose Bowl, so I will be attending that later on the day. Starts at 9 o'clock, so I need to get some sleep after this review. But yeah, shout out to my guy, because he always blessing me. All right, so the paper, got that Galaxy paper right here, as you can see that. And these I got a secondary paper too that's just white. All right, boom. Ooh. So I have a quick story about this too after I give y'all the whole little 360 look about this. But boom, put that right there. And put this right here. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful piece. Alright, so without further ado, I like saying that. Without further ado, should I do this one? Let's go with this right here. Put that All right. So without further ado, we got the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy. Boom. Okay. Got the I don't know. I keep on looking back here because I have my phone with all the information. I don't want to mess with the name, but you got the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy. This is the second time this shoe has came out, and as you can see on the back, that's why they call it the Galaxy Foamposite, because it has the Galaxy going around the shoe. I forgot what this one is called, but this came out last year. This is also a Galaxy Foamposite 2, but as you can see, it is different. I forgot what is the difference between these. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I don't even want to look it up. But they are different. They are different, but they're both Galaxy Foamposites. They both glow in the dark. The bottom glows in the dark. Yes, this glows in the dark. I probably can't do it because this is a ring light. This is not an actual like lamp. Let me just see. I'm supposed to charge it up. Let's see if it do this. I can charge it up real quick. I doubt I can do this because, like I said, this is a ring light, so it's not like the light. Oh yeah, it did it. Okay. I didn't think it was gonna be able to do it. But as you can see, yeah, it glows in the dark. Boom. Okay. Alright, so quick story time, real quick. Alright, so back when I didn't have any plugs in order to get shoes like this, exclusive shoes like this, I had no ends. And back also when camping was still a thing before they did raffles, the Beverly Center. That was the go-to spot because if you don't know, if you're not from the California area, the Beverly Center is the most exclusive mall in California. That Foot Locker there gets everything. So it's that one. You got two Foot Lockers that you need to be locked in with: the Beverly Center and Hollywood and Holland. Hollywood and Holland is right there in Hollywood, the heart of Hollywood, with the stars on the ground. Those two, that's the flagship store of Foot Locker. Beverly Center used to be the flagship store until they opened up the Hollywood store. Those are the two stores where they get everything. So, all right. This happened. I forgot the last time this came out. When I get the information, I'm gonna know the date, the first time this came out. So I want to say 2014. I want to say that, but don't quote me on that. Anyway, so I remember I went to go camp. So I took Harlem and Classic's mom. I took her. And the key to camping is you needed people to be in line with you if you wanted to get multiple pair. I did not want to get multiple pair, but just in case. So I took her, my homeboy Lamar, shout out to Lamar, and the girl I was dealing with at the time, Denise. And we was there at like 7 o'clock p.m. and the store didn't open until 10 a.m. the next day. And we was camping. And crazy thing about that, so this is the moral of the story. That was during the All-Star weekend. Just like last week was the All-Star weekend that this came out the first time. They came out with 4 shoes. They came out with these, LeBron Galaxies, which is that orange LeBron, the All-Star one. I forgot what model that was. I want to say the 9s or the 10s. I'm not too sure. 11s maybe. The KD All-Stars, which was the copper ones, or the Christmas ones. That was the Christmas ones. No, they came out with another KD one, not a Christmas one. The KD All-Stars. It was a Galaxy thing, yeah. So they had some KD Galaxy ones, these ones, and it was KD's, LeBron's. It was something else. I can't remember. Bottom line is, the guy came out in the morning time, like 9 o'clock. Hey, just let y'all know, we only got a certain pick. Everybody out there wanted this shoe because it was the first time it dropped and was reselling for thousands of dollars. He said, he was counting 1, 2, 3, 4, got to 5. I was number 5 in line. He was like, "You got the last pair of Galaxy Foamposites." This is where the story gets turned upside down. I didn't even want these. I wanted the LeBron Big Bang. That's what they call it, LeBron Big Bangs. That was the Galaxy, what they called the LeBron Big Bangs. I got them in the living room. My review's up for them too. Go check that out. It like that. The guy behind me started crying. That's how bad he wanted this shoe. I'm not a reseller, people. So I'm standing in line for the shoe I want. Little do I know, again, like I said, I'm not a reseller. What I could have did was I could have got this shoe, sold it, bought the LeBron Big Bangs, and still have money left over. But I feel good because at least the guy behind me wanted the shoe. He gave me the story. I do not know if it's true or not. He was like, thank you, bro, because I'm behind on my rent. I want to get this shoe so I can sell it and pay my rent. I do not know if he was lying. I like to think he wasn't lying. But, I mean, that was a little story I wanted to share with y'all. I thought it was dope. They were just like, I mean, I didn't want them. I didn't want this shoe. And I knew it was going to come out sooner or later on down the line anyway. I always get shoes I want. And I wanted those LeBron. I'm a big LeBron fan, so I wanted those. So, sorry if I was rambling, but I really wanted to share that story. So, anyway, let me give y'all some information about the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It'll be up right next to me in 2, 1. Boom, it's up right now if you want to read along with me. It reads, and we get rid of this ads. It reads, so what I say, 2020? I said 2014. It came out 2012. So in 2012, the Nike Air Foamposite 1 Galaxy debuted on NBA All-Star Weekend. Becoming immensely popular. Now, Nike Sportswear plans to reintroduce the Galaxy Foams in 2025, aiming to capture sneaker enthusiasts once more. Originally part of the Nike All-Star lineup alongside various other iconic models like the KD4s. Remember I said that, LeBron 9s, I said LeBron 9s. Remember I said it was either 9s or 10s, 11s, but I said 9s first. And the Zoom Rookie returned after 7 years. I don't know what the Zoom Rookie, wait, are these the Zoom Rookies? Oh, I think these might be the Zoom Rookies. I think, comment below, are these the Zoom Rookie ones? Because they got a 1 on the inside, on the insole. It has a 1 in there. So are these the Zoom Rookie? I don't know. These was actually the gift, so I don't know. All right, so the Zoom Rookie returned after 7 years, featuring the same Galaxy graphic. I think they are the Zoom Rookie ones. While leaked images are scarce, it is anticipated that the 2025 release will closely resemble the 2012 version, with possible minor material adjustments. Expect the 2025 Galaxy Nike Air Foamposite 1 to showcase the iconic Galaxy print on its Foamposite shell, complemented by black eye stays. Additional features includes a mini embroidered swoosh on the toe and Penny's 1 cent logo on the tongue, heel, and outsole. The design is rounded off with a carbon fiber mid-foot sink plate and glow-in-the-dark rubber outsole, along with the anticipated remove before flight tag. That is this right here. And these retail for $230. Y'all know Foamposite go hard. So remember I was gonna tell y'all how much I paid for? I paid $350. Still better than what they was going for the first batch. The first batch was going for like $850, $900. I wasn't paying that for no shoe. So I paid $350. So I'm okay with that. And technically I didn't even pay $350. I traded 3 Jordans that I wasn't gonna. One of the 3, I traded the Black Hat 3s, which they might go up later on down the line. Don't feel like waiting for that. I traded the White Thunders. I wore them already, so I got my picture out of that. And I traded the Fear 4s. Don't care about that. The ones that just came out. So I traded 3 pairs of shoes. I made over $350 for the 3 pairs of shoes. So not only did I get the money to buy these, but I had like $150 left or whatever like that. So I think that's a come up. You feel me? In summary, the resurgence of the Galaxy Foamposite promises excitement for sneaker enthusiasts, blending nostalgia with complimentary flair. Get ready to experience the cosmic allure once again. Stay up to date, blah blah blah. There we go. And these released February 21st. Oh, so they released today. I thought they released on Saturday, because they the 21st. Okay, I guess they're gonna release some sneakers 7 o'clock this morning. Well, coming up this morning. Okay, so they did. Oh, the early sneakers dropped February 15th. Also, they dropped last week at All-Star Weekend. If you was up in San Francisco, there it is. Shoe Palace, House Hoops location, San Francisco, on All-Star Weekend. All right, so some more pictures. You want to see some more pictures? Boom, like I said, everything will be right next to me, so you can see it. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's turn this off. That's enough. Boom. All right, so real quick, so we can wrap this video up because it is late at night. They got the remove before flight tag right there that comes on all the Galaxy themed shoes or whatever like that. Got that. No extra laces, but none needed. Black laces, Nike embroidered Nike swoosh right there on the toe cap right there. Oh, I'm showing the wrong one. I'm completely showing the wrong ones. Why y'all didn't tell me I was showing the wrong ones? Anyway, Nike swoosh right there, embroidered right there, black. Got the galaxy theme going around the shell of the shoe. Got the logo on the back, the penny logo on the back. I mean, yeah, Nike inside the sole, can't really see it, but you can. On the outer sole, penny logo right there on the bottom. Again, carbon fiber on these two little slots right there, and right there on the side. Glow in the dark outer sole. Also, I mean, yeah, I mean, it's a dope shoe. I mean, I feel like a lot of shoes that I didn't get when I first started the sneaker journey, they re-released. So I got the KD Christmas, I got the KD Galaxies. Every shoe that night, and you know what? I'm not gonna say God did it, or God's playing well like that, but I like to think that I did a good thing by getting the shoe that I want and not try to buy a shoe that I didn't want, so the dude behind me got it. And every shoe that came out that night in 2012, I have now. I had the Big Bangs, the original Big Bangs that when it first came out, I got to enjoy that. I got a re-release pair. I got the KDs that dropped out. I got the rookie ones, if these are the rookie ones, but I'm sure they are, the rookie ones. Everything that dropped that night, I got now. So you got to be patient. Stop worrying about, stop running out thinking you have to pay resale for these shoes, these thousands of dollars. Just be patient. Price is going to drop on all these shoes, or they're just going to re-release one day. You don't have to be, if you're last, that doesn't mean you're really last. You feel me? If that makes sense to y'all. Just because you're last to buy something don't mean you're last to, you know, in life or whatever. Just take your time. It might be back next year. It might be back next month, because Nike never really sells out. Stop thinking Nike sells out. They keep a bunch of inventory just so if they want to release something, just because they need to make a quick money grab. So yeah, so that's it. That's my little early review. Y'all should see this in the morning. When y'all see this, let me know in the comments below if this was a cop for y'all. Did y'all get the original pair, or did you get the second release? Did you go to San Francisco? San Francisco last week and got the early drop pair, or are you waiting for sneakers later on today to get it? Let me know. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. As always, from me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon squad. You know what to do.